Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a beginner-friendly popular woodworking project. Popular why? Because most people have sofas and every sofa needs an end table. Alright, here's what I got. 2 at 24.5 by 5.5. 2 at 16.5 by 7. 2 14.5 by 7, and 1 13 by 5.5. Just get it sanded up, and we'll start getting it assembled. This is the bottom board. I'm marking in 1 inch on the long side and 3/4 inch on the narrow side. This is where we'll set our 2 vertical pieces. Next we'll get these glued and pocket holed in. A lot of parts on it, make these straight. So here I either screwed up the measuring or the board shifted when I was putting in the pocket hole screw. I got a little lip there on that piece. I'm going to undo it, see if I can beat it in with a rubber mallet and get it straightened up so it's flush. Just like on the bottom piece, the top piece here, I'm going to mark in 1 inch from the long ends and 3/4 inch from the narrow end. Down the board, but we're going to line it up a little bit. Got an important part, the controller holder. 2.5 by 3.5, 2.5 by 3 1/8, and 5.5 by 3 1/8. It's going to form a little cubby to hold the remote controls. So I'll put this together, and then that's going to go, that will go right here. Now I'm just going to glue and brad nail it in. Oh, don't move. This last piece, I'm going to pocket hole it, and then we will put it straight across here. So I made this really tight. We'll get it stained up. And here we are with the finished product. It holds your controllers, some books, and even a nice glass of whiskey after a hard day in the garage. All this took me about $20 in wood to build, and I have no doubt you could easily get $70, $80 selling these on your local marketplace. Or even just build some for yourself, family, and friends. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content.